15 to work with for the Cardinals. Escamis gives it to the right corner.
Basic basketball, downhill attack. Wala pa gaano tinatakbo dito na pattern. Paling display number 6, libre na naman yung corner.
Laging ganun, kanina pa yan.
Masyadong madali.
Pero si Quen has the rock. Dalawang anti-depensa. Are, di bala sa kanya bibigay. 4 to shoot for the red shirt. Are jumps, shoots and misses. Bancale has the ball now. 1 and 30 remaining in this first quarter. Eto na naman. Corner. Hilawang closeout.
No, hindi.
Papua, almost a turnover. Pinilit sa ilalim. Now Concepcion, 10 to work with. To the corner. Eto na naman ang baseline drive mula sa Papua.
Another baseline.
Gets it to their main guy, Clint. Cuenco, finally, for Cuenco.
Ang lamig ng 3-point shot na yun.
Kanina pa, sabi niya. Remaining in the third quarter. Another pull-up mula rito kay Cuenco. Nangangapa kanina. Ito, hindi na.
Thumbs up play. Ulit, tinawag naman.
And they get the ball back once again. Yam Concepcion. Cuenco fakes, drives, and scores! Cuenco. Namamagana.
Ayaw patalo.
That's an 11-0 run. 6 coming from Nico Aguilar. And here's the answer from Cuenco.
Good challenge.
Saka, he scored earlier. He will try once again. Cuenco off the backboard is good!
Okay na rin na may halong swerte. Yung mga masisipag being rewarded with the effort.
Sermon to 3. Now Cuenco will try from the long distance. Side Cuenco.
Game of his life.
Stags, what are they gonna do here? Good idea. Pero malayong bola. Paeng Are was fouled way up. He was hit there. Let's see this play. Cuenco, tinitigan muna. Decides to pull up the trigger.
Pwedeng 4 points, no?
Oo.
Kung sa Pro League yung ganong tira.
Guhitan na lang, no? Ano yan, coach? Nagpapakita ba yun?